Alright, welcome back. Today we're doing kind of crappy 3D button code. I'm not sure why I called it that. I don't have any description on this one, so I'm going to be pasting it in and seeing how awesome it is. Alright, so what we have here is, from what I can see, actually I'll paste the HTML and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like without any CSS. This is a mystery code, so we'll see what it looks like as I paste it in. I just have these random ideas that I put down and talk about them. Alright, and here is, I'm not sure, I must have got this from somewhere, but I'm not sure where. This is hard to format too. I should install that Prettier plugin, shouldn't I? I do have it installed, I just haven't bothered to set it up. Maybe I don't even need to set it up. Alright, so what we have here is, I'll just save this, see what it looks like. I've written it down as kinda crappy 3D buttons. I don't know why you'd want your buttons to do this. It's like hidden buttons. I should call it hidden 3D buttons. They're not even 3D, like that's not really 3D, is it? That's just annoying. I don't know why you want to do this. I don't know. If you want buttons with a slide over for some reason, then this is your script. Bit of a weird one for the day. Button 3D position relative. And then for some reason they've added a slide over the button. Oh, that's random. And then as you hover over, it slides that down by translating the Y to 0. So it goes translate Y to 100 to minus 100%, and then translate to 0. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what to say about this one. 3D button, yay. Well, it is kind of crappy. I guess that's probably why I put kind of crappy 3D button on it. Oh well, anyway, that's a very quick video. Alright, thanks for watching, like and subscribe. And if you want to see any more crappy 3D buttons, let me know.